Hello folks, this is Tim at Tim's Project Car. I'm sitting out here in one of my old junkers for a little change of scenery. Gonna show it to y'all in a little bit. And so now I'm going to introduce folks to the LeBaron. This here is a 78 Chrysler LeBaron that I started work on a long time ago, and then I stopped. And it ran when I parked it. I haven't started it in years, but let me show you what it is. Here she is in all her dirt and rusty glory. 78 LeBaron 2-door. She's a 318 automatic car. It has, let me show you the motor in her. Nothing special. This is what you'd expect to see going to the junkyard, I suppose. But there's the 318 I threw together in it. It has the 340 J casting heads on it. You can see a different color there. Things have been milled quite a bit. There's the Edelbrock intake, 780 CFM carburetor. So it's pretty similar to what Tony threw together, actually. And I think the horsepower is pretty similar too. But the point is that not that it's similar, it's just that I like it. And I'm interested in how his car goes because I'm building something very much like it. Hard to see, but underneath there is the 727 automatic. I put a deep oil pan on it. That's what that is. And then I built an expansion chamber, so David Vizard can't say I never listened to him. There's that expansion chamber. And in the back is a Dana 44 rear end I put in there with 354 gears. And so, as beat up as this is going to be the next project after I get the Oldsmobile finished. The only reason I showed it so early is because it's mechanically so similar to UTG's old Dodge. And I'm hoping to convince him, don't change what you do. Just show us what you're doing. We love your show.